good. Drop it. Relax it. So I'm going to do an adjustment right to the mid-back first, okay? Okay, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. I'm going to come down with it and just give you a push. One more time, please. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. Good. So nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. So I'm going to take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Just going to feel it pull towards me. Okay, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Go ahead and point your toes down for me. Very good. How did that feel?
That was good.
Awesome. You got a good release on that?
Yeah, I did.
Awesome. Okay, let's lift up. Just relax the knee for me. Very nice. Just relax it. Just relax it for me. Pull here. Very nice. Okay, so go ahead and lay the head right into my hands. Just relax the shoulder, okay? Just relax it. Drop the head to the left. Drop it. Very good. How'd that feel?
That was
Awesome.
crazy.
All the way down to my hand. Relax that shoulder for me. Just relax it. Relax it. Release it. Wow. How'd that feel?
That was good.
Come down.